Husky Fuzzy. So I'm gonna start doing this weird new thing where I show a video here. Really, so it's really kind of cool. Let's get back to it. And so first, we are doing an unboxing of the Lego Dimensions fun pack of Aquaman is Aquacraft. So you see, I am pouring all the things out. Then gonna start, assembling Aquaman. His head is in the other pack. And here is Aquaman, sitting very lovely, spinning around, as you can see. He's very lovely. Now we make the Aquacraft. So here's the Aquacraft. Zooming around right now with Aquaman, zooming around. So yeah. So this is just an experiment video. If you very like it, I like it a lot, especially with unboxings and stuff. So yeah. Thank you for watching, like, subscribing.